Mynsain in Upper Lumparing within the 19th South Shillong constituency has finally received a long-awaited road connection after 40 long years. The new road, a Feeder Motorable Road, was made possible through the efforts of local MLA Sanbor Shullai in partnership with the PWD department. This development is set to ease transportation and improve the daily lives of residents in the area. The road, which cost Rs 1.38 crore to construct, was inaugurated in a ceremony attended by a large gathering of local residents, including women, youth and elders, along with community leaders like the Rangbachnong and others. In his address, MLA Sanbor Shullai expressed heartfelt gratitude to the landowners who voluntarily offered their land for the project without seeking compensation, enabling the road's construction. He also encouraged other communities to adopt a similar spirit of cooperation to drive progress in their regions.
Our SDO, Certification Officer, Assistant Engineer, Shillong Central Division, and Junior Engineer.
Kila Prashang la parat more than 40 years. They have tried their best to get this motorable road. Mensuai di tangi footpath di barit buun ke jeng mensau, kamit kayong kalaj mendon kawin nak Shillong giba lalong haklau kan. Kalau muka Shillong mo kum hapok khlau kadum kalau bating ma gibiu tak kloi la pa poying men yong ki menut. Te ada ka jingkur khu jong blei da jing start jong piban pelong ya MLA labun bentar apa? Kalau longsor, nak kelau, nak longsor. Karena yang lapli ini sudah meladap kena surok kena. Tu baru Shillong layak lembah yang anu asup, opi kipai bah bila asup. Kamu tak pernah dengan Mynsain. Karena kalau poi kum Tuhan, du kena surok beliau di kan join. Nang ta karena kepengin sapli mentaru, Mynsain di footpath di barat, mentaki street light, dak jeng trich tom, dak jeng galang gador barsong bah barat. Basembor berboroki ekstemar dorbar song etre kum si para kum koi kayem kum koi ke family etre lang ilala ban penurung se kana wi surok ka ba msim lan papoy perhat subat yo ya kana surok hamtam ya jaka kum bala ong nang Bachnong ngarong soban ai kuble. I must congratulate and express my sincere thanks on behalf of the people of 19 South Shillong to all our beloved landowners who have donated your land free of cost, without compensation. So this is a very good example, a very good lesson to other locality within my constituency in particular, and so outside my constituency in general, that you should follow the footsteps of the resident of Mynsain, Upper Lumparing, that the people are far-sighted, and the people, they know that road is very essential. Kung mengalaju ong ba kajaka kajungpi hapalawan ke surok kali lesi haporo kapalat surok kali lesi kalong tang harus pateng kasiput mentra balalat kali yang alayat hudi trai jaka ba ngilala benterwa hadu arah jar siput nak harus pateng ka lala benterwa saka arah jar sedang Shillong ko ba kali edu jong ka South Shillong borokoi kana Shillong